There are people who are thought to be friends of the company that Mr. Ash Mafara and his technology team are building, are spreading untruths about this company. Why would you do that? We have been looking for a company that was designed by a man who is all in to making sure that we have something that can completely change our lives and put us in position to help our loved ones and family and to help uplift the downtrodden. As you take a look at the internet and those companies that are offering you a program to make you money, aren't those companies familiar to you? Yes, they are, because you were in those companies and drowning in misery and debt and depression until you stumble upon the company that is being prepared by someone who is designing his company for the benefit of all who are presently in this company. Every so-called money-making opportunity is making money, but only for those who understand how to do that, which is only 2% plus the owners of those money-making ventures. Wake up, my friends, and stop sabotaging your opportunity to help yourselves and your families. Stop the spreading of the poisonous comments and posts that some of you are doing. Any other owner of a business would have abandoned a business that has caused millions of dollars of his own money and headed out and said, "Hope you the best, but I had to leave you." Not Mr. Ashmafare. He is all in for all of us. He is fighting for our needs. Respect him and stop the nonsense. He doesn't need frenemies, persons with whom one is friendly. Despite having a fundamental dislike or rivalry with a person, Mr. Mafare wants friends. Imagine how that makes Mr. Mafare and his family and technology team feel. Put yourselves in their shoes. How would you feel